Hey everyone, it's Morgan. Today, the Director of Maintenance at our Akron terminal, Chris Jostin, is going to talk to you about idling your truck. If you haven't already, be sure to subscribe to our channel, like our video, and turn on notifications for future content.
Hey guys, this is Chris, Director of Maintenance at Heyl Truck Lines. Let's talk about idling. Idling seems like the easy thing to do when it's hot or when it's cold out, right? You think that it's less wear and tear on the engine and it keeps temperature better, things like that. In reality, it doesn't. Okay, first off, idling burns a ton of fuel. Just idling for 1 hour is 1 gallon of fuel, compared to your APU, which is 0.2 to 0.4 gallons of fuel per hour. The other thing with idling your truck is it increases regens, it increases carbon buildup and wear and tear on the engine compared to when you use your APU. And remember, your engine is the most expensive part of your truck. So creating that extra wear and tear could lead to more breakdowns and more downtime, which we try to avoid. Remember guys, the engine is the most expensive part on your truck. So keeping that in tip-top shape is the key to keeping you running down the road and making miles and making money. So in the end, let's idle the truck only when we need to, when safety tells us that we need to because of the cold temperatures, or if there's an actual problem with your APU. Any other time, use your APU guys. Save that wear and tear on the engine and go out in there and make some miles.